This is the next lift at Sylvia Park. Looks like a Gen 2 with European indicators, which is nice. It is, Gen 2. Awesome. There we are, one. This is the modernised one. It's got new Dewhurst in it now. This is one that was broken the last time I came here. Looks like KONE have done the upgrade. Still a Gen 2. God, that levelling takes forever. Come on. Geez, that took way too long. So original outside, but inside the original OTIS button panel has been replaced. We now have Dewhurst and a Cirrus indicator. So I feel like they may have mucked around with the controller on this thing as well, because I don't understand why a Gen 2 of all things is taking so long to level. Here we are at one, and we'll finish out here. I think my phone lens is a bit dirty, but never mind. There it goes.